हाय फ्रेंड्स, तो आज के वीडियो में हम समझते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ इनवॉइसेस. आई विल टॉक अबाउट द मेन टाइप ऑफ इनवॉइसेस विच आर इशूड बिफोर, ड्यूरिंग एंड आफ्टर सेल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ इनवॉइस इज प्रोफार्मा invoice. So this is type of invoice. We can also say it estimate. Like before sale is going on, if customer is asking me for any order, so I will issue this estimate invoice showing that this product will cost you this amount. Okay, so this is the first type of invoice. It is issued before sale. Okay, the second thing is during sale. So this is tax invoice is issued once the goods is delivered or service is rendered. In that case, the seller issues tax invoice. Okay, and payment is due. Third one is, or might be payment is completed. Okay, the third one is after sale. Like after sale, if seller notices or buyer there is any mistake happen or return is there, so debit or credit note is there for the correction. Debit note and credit note. The next one is GST cases. In case of GST, vouchers and bill of supply. So this is also a type of invoice for exempt goods, non-taxable goods. Okay, and the vouchers are issued like payment voucher, refund voucher, and receipt voucher. So if any advance payment is received, so receipt voucher is issued. Okay, the next comes like if that deal is cancelled. Suppose this for against this advance payment deal is cancelled, that transaction is not going to happen. So in that case, refund voucher is issued. And third, and the payment voucher, it is issued in RCM cases where buyer issues it. ठीक है. Last one I will talk about e-way bill. So this is also a type of invoice, or you can say it must be with the transporter when he is carrying the goods from the seller place to the buyer place. For amount of goods, if it is exceeding 50,000, then e-way bill is issued, okay, by the seller. It is prepared by the seller. Okay, so this is a basic type of invoices I covered today. In next video I will cover e-invoice, commercial invoice, timesheet invoice, delivery challan or note, and what is the ISD invoice, input service distributor invoice. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.